Solo? Varina solo?
Varina first.
इकडे बघा.
Varina center.
पाठी है ना बाबूलाल मुन्ना पाठी है
अभी ठीक है
कैडा यस थैंक यू चलो बाइट
वही नहीं हो तो मैम सर सेंटर 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 सर सेंटर मैम सेंटर
हमने देखा एक बेहतरीन परफॉर्मेंस हमको देखने को मिला. कैसे एक्सपीरियंस रहा लैक्मे फैशन वीक का? आप कुछ बताना चाहेंगे, कुछ शेयर करना चाहेंगे हमारे साथ?
अमेजिंग एक्सपीरियंस. और जब भी मैं रैम्प शोज करती हूँ तो उससे पहले माय हार्ट स्किप्स अ बीट बिफोर गोइंग ऑन द रैम्प. अमेजिंग एक्सपीरियंस एंड आई लव द कलेक्शन. अगर आपने देखा होगा इनका जो कलेक्शन है, it's safe to say that Pratyush is the next Einstein in fashion industry. इन्होंने जो डिज़ाइंस क्रिएट किए हैं और आपने अगर देखा होगा इफ़ यू हैव नोटिस्ड, वो रंग बदलते हैं, चेंज मतलब सिम एक या इट्स इंटरेस्टिंग एंड ऑल्सो इको फ्रेंडली. किसने सोचा था कि कपड़े कलर बदल सकते हैं और इको फ्रेंडली हो सकते हैं. सो या आई कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट हिम.
Always, like you have tried the various materials and all, but this time you have tried the eco-friendly material.
Right.
What you will suggest to all the masses, how much interest they should put, as like the designer has put it his interest and he made something amazing.
Well, the population is growing, so is our consumption, right? So I guess it's high time that we take care and be conscious of our choices and our shopping habits. तो honestly मुझे तो कोई difference नहीं पता चल रहा. I mean I've worn, all of us have worn this. I mean I guess आपको एक बार पहन के try करना चाहिए. What I mean, and it's fashionable, it's cool, and yet it's safe for our environment. And I'm appealing to, I guess जितना हम इसको sorry I guess जितना हम इसको प्रमोट करेंगे उतना ही as consumers उतना ही brands इसको आगे they will also get encouraged to produce more materials, manufacture and produce.
So we would like to know that how much do you enjoy working on the rap?
As well as what is your style? What type of style do you prefer?
What type of style do you prefer?
My style, oh, baggy clothes. मुझे
बॉम्बर जैकेट शर्ट
बॉम्बर जैकेट ये मैं ले जाने वाली हूँ घर. ब्रांड स्टाइलिंग एंड कभी कभी फंक. So I love to experiment.
So who's your style icon?
Style icon, Ranveer Singh. Also Madonna and Lady Gaga. Yeah. Experiment करते हैं and they're bold with their choices, so I just love it.
Pratyush, what would you like to add on this? एक डिज़ाइनर के एंगल से प्लास्टिक बॉटल से क्लॉथ वो भी इतने काफ़ी डिज़ाइनिंग कूल लगने वाले. How would you share the?
I just feel that there's no difference in I mean there are polyesters and then there's recycled polyester. So in a way property is similar. In a way property is similar, but I think it's there's lack of education. I'll say that people are not aware about the fact that recycled polyester and the polyester can give the similar feel and they can easily replace polyester with recycled polyester because as a textile, of course, it's helping the planet. It's keeping it green by converting tons of plastic into a textile, and also it's adding more and more fashion to whether it's any brand. It's just another polyester, but with that wow factor, which is it's recycled.
Besides the entire look being eco-friendly and all that, you like looking super funky. So are you a fan of funky fashion? What is your go-to fashion?
My go-to fashion is obviously baggy clothes, comfortable रहते हैं. But yes, I am a fan of funky fashion, grunge fashion. तो मैं तो experiment करती हूँ whether somebody likes it or not. I'm like, yeah, I want to enjoy my clothes because fashion is how I express myself. And also, I would like to add one more thing that as an actor, people judge us for repeating clothes, right? And I guess हमें ये चीज़ normalize करना चाहिए कि because we do not want to waste, so we can repeat our clothes and we can mix and match them, and it's high time that we should normalize.
Thank you, Varina.
कलेक्शन के बारे में illusions